So Ugo, it's a good thing you secured the shop. And maybe as soon as I resume work, I will send the money for the startup.
Thank you.
Transfer the funds.
Thank you.
And there's no time.
Thank you.
For nothing.
I really appreciate
one more. How about that your girl? You've kept me in the dark. I believe you've gone to see her again.
Okay, now. Do you want me to have two hands in my mouth at the same time? It's one after the other. I've been looking for a shop. Or should I have left that one for later?
But the two of them are important now. Can't go and get with two hands in your mouth at once. The two of them are important. In fact, if you ask me, the girl is even more important than
the shop.
Here, see, do you know that? See, in fact, except you don't love her again, have you begin to develop flat feet?
Ikenna. One step at a time. One step at a time.
Let me finish with the shop. We've secured the shop. We've secured the shop now. I'm the one to send your money and I won't fail you. So let us go and see her.
See her where?
Her house now.
I don't know her.
Ha! You don't even know her house?
No.
See her. It's a good thing she's from this community. We'll find her house. Is she not from this community? We'll find her house now. That is not a problem if you ask me. Now for you. Ugo. We'll find her house. Look, let me tell you. Girls of sword beauty and caliber do not last in their father's house. So. Can we go again now? Now wait till you look on my face, your mate take past you. Should I have lied to you? It's open about one auntie. Girls like that don't last in their father's houses. So the earlier the better.
You cannot the preacher. I've heard you.
You say I talk too much, but I'll dwell on the truth. Should I have lied to you?
I'll go and look for her later.
Now you're talking.
I'll assure you that the next time you come, I will have good news for you.
That's more like it.
You worry me, okay? You worry me.
What are brothers for you, not for inconveniences?
You want
trouble.
By the way, how is it?
Obi is fine. In Ajo. Obi is fine. I met recently and she's even bracing up for nursing school.
Are you serious?
Man, no nurse now.
When and their various interests, Mataba is in Ocho catering school. She's interested in
catering school. Yeah, you're not as cake free. Your Jennifer might as well want to be a medical doctor. Or a
lawyer.
I'm a doctor. Come on. And we're not saying we're doctor.
Fine girl! Fine girl! How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Look at you.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. Are you in this community at all?
I am. I should be asking you if you're in this town.
Anokwamia. You know that you're the one that is hiding. We don't see people like you every day. Hey, look go see Acha. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey.
I'm fine, thank you.
Ask me how I am now. Ask me.
How are you?
I am not fine. I'm not fine. Because you have not been looking for me. I have not seen you. I've been looking for you since that day. How can I be fine? I think I'm fine.
But you're funny.
But it's so good to see you.
Same here.
Well, for me, I've been carrying on with life. You see, I have been running around to open one small provision store. You know, where I can be selling small things, biscuits, sweets, mineral, little small things here and there. But I've been able to do that.
Yeah, that's good though.
Yes. So what about you? Your WAEC, how far?
I have just one paper left.
Woo!
And I'll be done.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Congrats in advance.
And I'll be a graduate from secondary school.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
After this your WAEC now, so what else? What next do you want to do with your life?
Nursing, no.
Nursing?
I want to go to nursing school. I started doing some odd jobs for people so that I can raise the money and buy the nursing form.
Why? Why odd jobs? Why? Yeah, odd jobs. That's cleaning, washing, and A fine girl like you cannot be doing that now. Eh? You must still do odd jobs because you have a very bright future ahead of you and you're pursuing your dream. Or the wrong man. No? It's not good. Eh? Look, help will always come on. Help will always come. Eh?
However, I will not stop saying thank you. You saved me from that embarrassment.
Hey. How's it gonna? That one
Like
is
I
bad.
said the other day, anywhere I see you, I will keep saying thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey!
It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, Amalichanwa. See, there's something I want to tell you. I like for us to discuss.
I'm all ears.
Not here. You know, we cannot talk about something like that here. Eh? But I can stand here, though, and tell you that from the moment I saw you, I have not been able to rest. You have not left my mind. I constantly think about you all the time. Sometimes I see you in my dream when I'm sleeping. And I pray for a moment like this when I see you. Now I have seen you, Biko. Come to my shop. Let's talk. Make out time.
Okay, after my exams, I'll come around.
Okay. You will not disappoint.
Where is your shop?
You know the former post office. The former post
one
office.
Along
Thank
the...
you.
Oh, yes. yes I
My
do.
shop is just opposite.
Okay.
Even if you are standing at the post office, if I see you, I'll wave you.
Okay.
You see me? Eh?
What's going on? I will come. I'll come.
You will not disappoint me.
No, I will not. After my exams, like I said.
Hey, don't stand my heart up.
You come, brother Gona. Let me run along. My mother will be waiting for me.
Hi, you're leaving already. Okay, yeah.
Hey!
Hey, Omalichanwa. Omalichanwa. We're going for an acha.
Just keep going.
Mama.
Hi. You stayed for so long. What kept you? Is it that you did not see what I asked you to buy?
Sorry, Mama.
Hi.
I saw Brother Gona on my way back.
Eh?
You know I haven't seen him since the last time both of us saw him. He equally told me he's opened a new shop.
What? Oh, God, thank you. Thank you, God. You know, I prayed for him, and my prayers have been answered. No?
Mama Zukwani.
Church. I will open a church.
Not only your prayers, but mine as well. He asked me about my future after I'm done with secondary school. I told him I want to study nursing. And he liked it. Yes, he did. He now said I should come to his shop after my last paper.
And you will go.
I will go.
I would not like you to start running after men because of hardship. This one you said he asked you to come and you will go. Please, you have to be very careful.
Mama, I am not running after a man. Because I'm not. Besides, he said I should come to his shop. It's not like I'm going to his house. So what possibly can he do to me in his shop? Ogeburu, will he carry me?
It's so bad, no problem.
I'll go after my last paper.
Okay, it's so bad. Go and set fire for me.
Look at the things.
How are you? You're welcome, my daughter.
I'm fine.
Welcome.
Where is Mama Ikena?
Mama Ikena.
Mama.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are here?
Ikena said I should give you this money.
Ewu.
Yes, he sent his phone to get you.
I hope he sent yours.
Yes, he did.
My son will send money, and my name will not be there. Upon all the school fees and all that. Now the mother is tying money in her wrapper.
Nine. The one he gave you last time that he visited, have you finished it?
You didn't give me shish. Eh? I suspect that you are the one who fabricated stories that made him forget his father. Well, I will not say much since he gave his cousin sister the one he promised. No wahala.
Nine. Mothers first. Eh? Len Kwanan. Mothers first. Did you carry him for 9 months? This my womb. I used this my womb to carry Ikenna for 9 months. Eh?
That question is baseless. That question is baseless. These children should know that fathers are important as well. That is what I'm trying to say. If not for our seed, will the women see anything to carry for 9 months? Eh? Matter, you are here listening.
Papa, you're right.
Carry 9 months, carry 20 months.
Papa, it's okay. Don't worry. I will bring some money, at least, so you can get drinks.
No, don't bother yourself, my daughter. As you can see, I keep on enjoying myself.
It's good like that.
Icheko, should not be talking like that. You know, women carries their child for good 9 months and they nurture them till they get of age. So why is he talking like this? Eh?
And the father, he folds his hand.
What kind of rubbish is that?
Mama, most children do not even care about their father. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be shared. I wish my father was alive.
See, let me tell you something. Women loves their father, while men loves their mother. God made it so. I'm not the one that did it like that. It's God.
Mama, a man toys. He pays for the hospital bill when a child is born. For the school fees when the child starts going to school. He keeps spending money till the child is grown. And all of a sudden, the mother becomes the most loved. And you're telling me, Mama, that that's how God made it to be. It's not true. It's not true.
Remember, you're a woman. Remember that? Then you should ask yourself this question. Why Mary, the mother of Jesus Christ, who was blessed more than Joseph, his father? So women are blessed more. Yes.
Mama, I cannot win you this, please. You win. I don't have your time, Pico. Just...
No, continue
Mama.
asking me. Continue dragging with me. You understand?
Mama, go and meet Iche. Both of you can argue very well. He's very good in that. Go and meet him and argue with him. Okay, I don't have strength, Pico. Mama, hey, do you know that Brother Ikena gave Brother Ogona money for the shop?
Your brother told me, you know, Ikenna bụ ezigbo nwanne. He's a good brother. He never forgot how Ugonna helped him when he was in school. You know, they say one good turn deserves another. Yes.
It's true. Hi. He's a very good person. Mama, back to our argument, eh?
I can't believe Omoa, me, Jennifer, is finally done with secondary school. Hey! God, thank you. After all the wahala, I finally wrote my exams, my practicals. I rounded off with everything.
So, if you fail, I may require to sit for another exam. Won't you do that?
Eliza, do what? Insofar as I'm concerned, Moa, me, Jennifer, WAEC is done and dusted. And I will come out in flying colors.
Wait. What did you just call me?
Eliza, is that not your name?
See, Jennifer, you see that name, Eliza? That name ended with this WAEC. My name is Lizzie Flex. Lizzie Flex. Not when we go to this our planned nursing school. you will start telling the whole class that my name is Eliza. Don't try it though, because I will pour you hot water. My name is Lizzie, not Eliza. What is Eliza? Hey!
Eliza, wait. Now, we just came out from secondary school. You want to start living a fake life? Now, we just finished secondary school. Today, we just rounded up. You already want to start living a fake life?
Starting when?
See.
Eliza.
Biko. My friend, Biko, answer your name.
Eliza, I'll have problem with you. My name is Lizzie Flex. If you cannot call me Lizzie Flex, then you call me Lizzie. It's very simple. Lizzie. Biko. Eliza. See, don't try it too.
My friends are
Wait.
Mm.
Apart from that one, how about that guy that paid for your practical? Have you guys been talking?
Brother Gonna. I saw him the other day. The man started saying another thing.
Another thing like what?
How he likes me, how he wants to further my education, and after math, we'll get married.
And why are you wasting time to jump on name? It's like you like suffering. You like all this farm work for 1 naira, 2 kobo. Wait. How many people have you seen pouring sugar away from the mouth? Most of you fine girls like doing shakara. That's the problem. If that guy can wipe away your tears instantly without demanding for sex or touch, my dear, he's a good man. So I advise you, think about it. Water.
So, in your mind now, you've given me an advice. So, yeah? Let me pity you and just dash you this name. Lizzie. Let me pity you and call
Flex.
you Lizzie Flex. Let me just pity you.
Flex.
Elizabeth.
But how is sales today now?
Sales today, well, at least we're alive. God is good. We keep pushing. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. Just that she's complaining of backache.
How? You didn't give her her medicine?
But that's why I came to see you.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, give her this money.
Okay.
Hey, Jaji. How are you?
Hi.
Martha, that is Jennifer, my special friend. She's from Mondepa. And then meet Martha. She's my sister, my younger sister.
But she's so beautiful.
Hey, you too.
She's your wife.
You've started now. One more move. For now, she's my special friend. So let's see what happens.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, go to the chemist up front, buy Mama medicine. Tell her to take her medicine. After taking it, make sure you take her to that chemist. For them to check her BP. That is very, very important. Mama needs to check her BP. Do that, please.
Thank you. Brother, what do you want me to prepare for you so when you return you can eat?
Anything you make is fine. I'll eat. Or what? You want Jenny to join you to go?
Yes. It will be better that way. It will be very good.
Look at you.
Brother, let me run. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I know you think that I was joking about everything I told you the other day. But I've been reflecting on it. But I am here with you today. So I believe that I have a chance to introduce myself fully to you. Because I know that you don't know me. So my name is Ugunaya. But my friends call me Ugunna. I went to primary, secondary school in this community. And after that, I ran to the north to go and spend time and serve my uncle. And after so many years, he settled me. You know, I started my own. And I was doing fine, you know, until one day, fire burnt down my shop and the shop of other people on our line. And when the people that I took goods from on credit started coming for me, I had to run back to this village. But even as I'm here, I do all kinds of things. I work hard to make sure that I put food in my stomach, put food on the table for my mother and my sister, the one that just left here. You know.
Are you the only son?
Oh no, I have a younger brother. Yes. He was born just a couple of weeks before my father died. But he does not stay here. He stays with one of our relatives in Lagos, where he's also serving under him. You know. To be honest with you, Jennifer, things have not been fine for my family. But you see, I am a man that has a lot of faith and belief in Ogademma that things would get better in the near future. You saw these things because I want you to know me more, and also because I have an open mind. You see the 5,000 naira that I gave to you the other day was from my savings. It was the only money that I had at that time. Believe me. Before I opened this place, I used to carry wheelbarrow and goods on my head at the main market, just to save, just to feed, just to take care of my mother and my sister. But when I saw you that day and how broken you were, I did not have a choice but to go and get that money and give to you, because I didn't want you to go back home with a broken heart.
I don't even know what to say. Right about now, I think I am tired. Or should I even say I have lost the number of times I've said thank you to you. But it won't stop me from saying thank you. Thank you. Thank you once again. I am forever indebted to you. Since I was born, no man has done what you did for me without wanting my body, without wanting to sleep with me. But your type is rare.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't have any other person in my life. I don't have a woman in my life. I have not even looked at a woman in this community until I saw you that day. And since that moment, my spirit has not found peace. I know that you have your whole life ahead of you. I know that you want a great future. I know that you have great ambition. But I promise you I'll be there with you. You want to be a nurse? Yes. I'll support you. I'll stand by you. I'll be your rock. Because I believe that you and I can be magic. Please, Jenny. I know that we can do this. I know that if things go well, we can have a very beautiful family. I don't want anything from you. I don't want sex from you. I just want your heart. I just want a woman who will love me with all of her heart, and I, in return, would give her the whole of me. 100%. Please, Jenny. Can we? I don't want anything from you. I don't want sex from you. I just want your heart. I just want a woman who will love me with all of her heart, and I, in return, would give her the whole of me. 100%.
Nne, what is it? Is something troubling you? Is there any problem? Do you mind sharing with me?
Papa, good morning.
Good morning.
Mama, good morning.
Nay, good morning.
You're welcome.
I see. I sent for you. I have not gotten my pension alert. And it's supposed to have come by now. So that is what I'm just checking. I want you to help me go to the bank and find out what the problem is.
Okay.
Please.
Nah, you should exercise some patience. Probably they have not paid.
I want to be sure that they don't eat the little money government is giving me as pension. Delay is dangerous.
Papa, don't worry. I will go to the bank and check for you.
Now let me give
Just write it down.
That is what I
Write
want
the
to
account
do.
number.
Yes.
The month just ended 3 days ago. He's already disturbing.
Why shouldn't I disturb? Your son is giving you money at will, and you sit on it and claim that you carried him for 9 months. And that we the men did nothing.
No, don't change the topic.
Biko.
Don't change the topic. We are talking about pension here.
Papa,
not
just
my
write it
son.
for me. Just write it for me.
We are talking about pension. Leave my son out of this.
This is the number.
Thank you.
My dear,
Check.
thank you.
Okay.
This one is 9.
I will check it for you.
And
I'll come with feedback, Papa.
Thank you very much. See, tell your mother that if time is not taken, I will send back her sister. She's giving me a lot of headache.
Papa, calm down now. Let me check for you.
What is it?
I'll come back soon.
Please bring my sister for me.
Water, where's your mother? Call her before I destroy something here.
Uncle, what is it? What is it? It is too early in the morning. Hi.
Your mother wants to dare me. And I'll make sure that I drive her out of this village. Where is she?
Uncle, what is it? Do you want to swallow us? What do you want from my mother? Fine, you have taken all our lands. Are those not enough for you? What is it? By the way, let me ask you. Do you know how I rounded off with my education? How many times did I come asking you for help? Did you help me? Did you give me a dime? Answer me!
Now it is quite obvious that you and your mother are looking for my trouble, and I'll make sure that I give it to you people.
What?
Is this not your uncle?
Are you not her uncle? You are the uncle. I think you should be more understanding. Why are you like this? Why are you harassing her?
Listen up! Who is this? And what are you doing here? Oh, Jennifer. So you have started following men. I've been wondering where this very intestinal fortitude with which you have been talking to me of late comes from. So this is it. This is it. Now look here. I have this propensity of crushing womenizers of your ilk in less than 24 hours. And your own case is not going to be different. Rather, it is going to be an improvement of the already established record of less than 24 hours. Go and ask them about me. Now listen to me. I don't want to see this your miserable face again when next I visited this place. Now leave it.
Impossible!
I said leave this compound.
Impossible, Papa! Impossible! This is my father's compound.
Where is your father then?
This is my father's compound, Papa, and you do not have such rights here. You see this land? You have taken all our land, so agreed. But you see this land, which I am standing on, you have no such rights to order anyone who comes in and goes out of here. He is my friend, and he's come to stay, sir.
Otwacha, so this is what you and your mother have been doing in this house. All right, I'm going to uproot all that cassava and maize that she planted on that line. It seems to me that she thinks she's stubborn. And now that her recalcitrant behavior is trying to cross the red line, I'm going to curtail it pronto. We shall see.
I'm sorry.
Ignore him.
I'm sorry.
Ignore him.
He's...
Just sit down. Sit down. Sweetheart.
Hi.
Obi.
He's become a thorn in our flesh.
I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come. I'm here now. Is that not why I'm here? I'm here. And I will always be here. This is what you go through in the hands of this man. This is what you and your mother will have to deal with every other day.
On a daily basis. On a daily basis. Such a mean old man. He seized all the family lands. His first son is in prison simply because he burnt down someone's car. Out of sheer wickedness. I don't know where the audacity came from. I don't even know what got into me, and I stood up to him. I'm glad I gave him a piece of my mind.
And I'm glad you did. It is always good to speak up, but I want to tell you something. As you carry on in life, do not be scared of any human being, but respect people. That is all that you owe them. Respect, not fear. I know that you're still angry. Obiko, Buto, I'm here. You're not going to allow that man intimidate you and your mother. No. It will not happen. And then he kept talking about land. What land is he talking about?
The land we used to cultivate on, even when my father was alive. He's beginning to drag the land with us, saying he wants to sell it. We just cultivated corns on the land for the season. And you heard him. You heard him threatening that he's going to uproot everything. That land is the only hope of raising money for my nursing firm.
It's okay. It's fine. I'm here for you, huh? Calm down. This nursing form you're talking about, how much is it? Tell me now, how much is it?
The nursing form is 12,000.
Okay. And after that, you will need other things now. Okay? What else would you need? After the form, Omega say other things that you're going to need, like what and what. Let me know.
I'll have to pay for the exam fee, which is 1,000 naira.
So that's 13,000 now. What other thing?
Then, after you must have gotten the admission, you will have to pay other fees.
Take. This is all the money that I have. And tomorrow is market day. So I have divided into two. So you take this 30,000 now. Oh, and I'll use this one to go to the market. Okay? take now. It has no form. And after form, you have to still do other things. I decided to give you extra so that before you need money again, I would have made money from the shop. Organic one. Hey, mba. Ebekwanakwa. Don't cry. Don't cry now. Eh? Don't cry. I'm here to make you happy. Jidegodo. Don't cry. Hi. I will always be here. I told you I'll be your rock. Okay? Eh? I'll always be here. Don't cry.
Jenny! Adukumo! Mama! Where did you get all this money from?
Mama, guess. And if you get it right, you and I will share the money.
You have not gone out today because you are still wearing same clothes you wore before I left for the farm.
Correct. Okay.
Wait. Did your uncle sell that land and brought part of it to this place and you collect from him?
Mama, who is talking about uncle? Biko, don't be a killjoy. Eh? Who's talking about uncle? The one that came this morning and almost strangled me to death. Hey, Mama. Uncle came here this morning and was ranting and shouting on top of his voice, saying how stubborn you are. Mama, I gave it to him. I stood up to him. For the first time, I stood up to Uncle. If you ask me how I did it, I don't know.
Good.
I stood up to him and I gave it back to him.
Good.
Ogini, while I was at it with him, Ugonna came in. He left me and faced Ugonna.
What? You mean Iluani came to this house and insulted my own visitor in my husband's house?
You needed to see the drama, Mama. You needed to see it. Hey!
What gave him the right?
Ask me, but I gave it back to him.
Good one.
I did,
Good.
By the time Uncle was done with his ranting, Ugonna brought out this money, gave it to me, and said I can go and get nursing form.
So Ugonna gave you this money?
Oh, yes, he did.
Chimo. Eh? This Ugonna has really tried for us. Eh?
Hi.
Hi. God will bless him. God will continue blessing him till there will be no room to contend with it.
Amen. Oh, amen.
You see that Ugonna, eh? God brought him to this house for a mission. A good mission.
I agree, Mama. I agree.
First thing in the morning, you will go and purchase the form. You know, go.
Ozbo, before it turns to late entry.
Biko.
Yeah, I don't have any extra cash for late entry. Biko.
Is there food in this house?
There is food, Mama.
Since the day you met Ugonna, he has been helping us up till now. He has always been there for us. He even gave you money to buy form for your nursing school. He told me he invited you over to his shop and asked you to marry him. So I want to know what your answer is. What did you tell him?
He casually said it. He just said it.
And then what did you reply him?
Nothing, no.
Nothing, no. Does it mean you don't want to marry him or you don't like him? Which one?
Mama, you see why I don't like telling you all these things. I don't understand these questions. Well, you are correct. He's been kind to us. And I think I like him.
Since you like him, there is no problem.
But Mama, first off, I would love to finish my nursing school.
There is no problem. So bad. Go and check on the food and know whether it's done so we can eat and go to.
Nika, I'll miss you.
Someone is missing me already.
I beg. I'll miss you so much, eh?
I'll miss you both too.
I'll miss you too. This your school. What is even wrong with them? Why did they call off the strike so early?
See this devil. So you don't want me to go and finish what I started? Okay, don't mind her. Don't mind her.
It's not like that.
Mata, you're talking as if you don't know that this village is so boring.
Very
so
boring.
I can't even wait for our school to open so that I'll go back.
The both of you are trying to demoralize me the more. Okoya, continue. Continue, please. Continue.
Haba, it's not like that. We all made our choices. You said you like catering school. You know, say you like food too much.
Let's talk about that.
No, you like food.
You like food though?
Nneka is in Polytechnic. And I am in this. So why don't you come and join me in reading nursing? Bam, bam, bam.
I don't like taking injection. More or less injecting somebody. I will just faint.
Me? Are you serious? Me, I like nursing. If not that's my boyfriend. Say doesn't like it. Me? The boyfriend. The boyfriend. Let's look for Keke. You know you're going back to school. Okay, hey, now miss you guys.
Beg.
Mata, once school opens, I will travel to the city. I need to go and visit Ikenna. Yes, I've missed him so much. At least I will spend a week with him.
I don't understand. Are you not aware he's coming back very soon?
So? Mata, what will I gain if he's coming back very soon? When my mother will not allow me to spend quality time with him? She will be shouting, why did you stay out late? Why did you do this one? Then my father will hear it and want to slap me. Mata, I don't know why these people think I'm still a kid.
Oh, you are.
I'm not. Moreover, Ikenna's mother will not allow him be. It's better I travel to the city to spend quality time with him, Jaje.
Hey! Obi, so this is what school is all about. You leave the house that you're going back to school, and then it becomes a license for you to move around freely. Hey! Obi,
Yes.
you're a bad girl.
See, let me tell you. School will give you freedom. Freedom to live your life. But it depends, yes, it depends on what you want for yourself. Anyway, it depends, if you want to be useful to yourself, fine. You follow people.
I don't want. So, Obi, as you are like this here, you can travel to Enugu and stay in my cousin's house for a week and clean your mouth. Hi, Obi, you are a bad girl. I will not move around with you
No,
again.
now, don't say like that. You won't understand. Mata, this is my first time trying this, and I'm going to do it.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem. I wish the both of you well.
Uh-huh.
Ajonwa.
Don't worry. I will teach you how you'll be doing.
Biko, don't teach me, please. I'm okay like this. Don't teach me. I don't
You
want.
okay like
I don't
how?
want to learn. I don't want.
Connie.
Don't even teach me, please.
You don't want to learn.
Ugo, my man. Hey, Obi. Ugo, welcome. Obi. Ugo, my man. Obi, look at you. Ugo, my man.
I was not.
I decided to take you by surprise.
This is a big surprise. That's your car.
One of the toys now. Using it to patch.
Hi.
Using it to patch.
Obi, I'm happy for you. Obi, I'm happy for you.
You're looking fresh.
Ta. Yeah, I know, Eba.
Looking fresh, Ugo.
How is your family? How is everybody?
They are doing very okay. You are
Your
doing
sister,
fine.
your
They are
in-laws.
okay. They are okay. How have you been?
I know where. We're pushing.
Obi, welcome. You're looking very fresh, oh.
Get out.
You're looking very fresh, oh.
Yeah, I know that.
Go leave that thing.
Hey, Hassan. How are you? How are you?
I came to show you my form.
Okay.
And I'll have to fill it and go with the passport photograph.
Oh, okay. So why have you not filled it?
I'll do it on my way home. I came to tell you that I will include your name as my next of kin.
Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. So you need a passport photograph. Do you have money for?
Yes, I have. I still have some left.
Are you sure you have money?
Oh, go! I still have some. The one you gave me the other day, I haven't even spent everything.
If you need money, let me know.
I will.
Okay. Hello, Febe.
That girl is very pretty.
I know.
Ugo. See, she's very pretty and have a good heart to go. You know what I saw in that girl?
What did you see?
I saw humility, obedience and tenderness in her. Just imagine now. She said, don't worry, I still have some money with me. Like, not every girl of these days will say that to a man now. You know, they are so filled with greed and looking for where to pick one or two from. See, my brother, I'm seeing a wife material here. Oh.
You are, eh?
You know now.
This man.
Get out. Hope she's the chosen one.
Ugo, my man.
Lizzie Flex. Lizzie. This why your face is like this. Ogini, what is it?
What did you agree on? And you ran to the city to buy the phone because Ugonna gave it to you. I don't blame you.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What don't you understand? I came to your house this morning and your mother told me that you already ran to the city to buy the phone. But I told you, I begged you to wait for me, that my father would give me money tomorrow. But you couldn't wait.
Hey, was that what you meant? Hey, well, I didn't understand it that way. I thought you said your father is here to give you money. Hey, sorry, One. I didn't understand it that way. Sorry now.
No, it's okay. So, is it still the same price?
Yes, it is. Oh, it is. And you have to go with 2 passport photographs with a white background. Yes. I'm yet to submit my form. I will submit it tomorrow.
Okay. No problem.
Where are you going?
I want to see someone at Sunko Market. I'll come to your house very early. Okay?
We'll go together. Elisa! Lizzie Flex! Lizzie Flex! Elisa! Lizzie Flex!
Nursing is good and it's a profession that doesn't stay idle. Once she's done, marry her.
Of course, that will eventually happen. Do you think we will be doing all of this without having plans for a good future? Part of why she's studying nursing is so that when we finally start a family, she'll have something to do. You understand? So it will definitely happen.
So why will you wait until she's done before getting married?
Are we running? And actually, calm down. Relax. We'll do it. This is how I want it. Let her focus, on her studies. I just want her to come out as one of the best. And after that, we'll take it from there.
Okay. If that's how you want it. But please, hold her well. Because there are other men in town looking at that girl.
They will not see her. Relax. What belongs to me belongs to me. Jen is not going anywhere.
I hope so.
She's not going anywhere.
I'll have to take my leave now. I'm ready to surprise you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you, Bika. Hey.
Oga,
Huh?
I want to buy egg.
Oh, how many?
Bring 5. How much for the 5?
Egg 100 naira.
100 naira. Now 500.
You whole change?
Now 1,000 no.
Now you be the first person to come buy market. Then you get change.
Now 1,000 I carry.
I don't expect that the local government will be expecting us to jointly fund the local government town hall project. There was a campaign before the election, and that was not what we jointly agreed during the campaign. That was not.
I am as alarmed as you are, Ichikobi. We deserve better.
Why is it that the two of you are sounding as if you are hailing from another part of this world, even from outer space? Eh? Look, we don't have a working system. As soon as you accept this, the better. Eh? I think what we should concern ourselves now is to deliberate on how much each of our kinsmen should contribute with a view to forwarding our own contribution in good time.
Thank you very much, my brother. I support what you have just said. I suggest that each family unit should contribute 5,000 naira as minimum. Any family unit that has more money can still raise it as a free will donation. Thank you.
How are you sure that some people will not tell us stories as usual?
To avert such a situation, I think it is better that we disseminate information in good time so as to avoid a situation whereby some people will start coming up with stories that touch the heart. Especially people like Muka, my late brother's wife.
That reminds me. I had wanted to see you before this meeting comes up. Now, why are you taking that land at Isipa away from her? She came complaining to me and I don't like it.
And you feel that this is the best place for you to say it? Eh? I had wanted to call you out and then before the meeting did you? Instead you have made it a part of the agenda of the meeting. If you're an elder as you claim to be, you will have come to me, to the house, we talk about it, a mano. Just like we used to say in Palamo, when we were in officers training there some years ago. We talk about it mano a mano over a cup of palm wine. Yet you come here and open your mouth so wide talking to birds of the air.
Should I have said it in the moon? After all, you first mentioned her name. Eh? Look, from now, stop it. Eh? If
I mention her name first, what will she do after all? She's the wife of my late brother.
It's enough.
I'm not hearing him.
Mazu Kando, I suggest that you go to Iche Ulani's house and talk about this. Not in the public.
Yes, I should go to
What you are saying does not
No, I should
concern me.
go to his house.
No, allow him.
No,
Allow him. I'm speaking. If it was in those days, I was still in British Army, the colonial army, before we got our independence. Then you come near me and vomit that nonsense. You see, if I will not send my boys.
Oh, to God.
Mind yourself. Oh.
I don't mind. Go sit down.
Leave your mouth. You can go to You have finished talking to the birds, an animal in the bush.
Let's go. Because you are not where he came. You will not do anything. You will not do anything.
Ugly now. Look at that. You're shy. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
I want to go and buy material for my school uniform. So that I can sew it before school starts.
Okay.
It's been 2 weeks and I haven't sewn mine.
But you told me that the school will provide school uniform.
The school will provide, but it is not a bad idea if I have an extra. I'll wash one and wear the other one. When the other one is dirty, I'll wash one.
That's true. That's true. You want to go now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's say. What do I have? Let me see what I have. You know what? Take everything. This should be enough. Take, go and take now. Go and sew your school uniform.
Thank you.
I know you look very smart in it.
Thank you.